back on the noose. Me and my boy did some adjustments to the boat. And we were trying it out. I think, well, first of all, you see, hands free. I got y'all mounted up there in the front. So now, while I'm fighting the fish, we can all be a part of it. Hey, that's badass. Also, we made a handle for the motor out of PVC. Me and the boy. We changed the spark plugs on the motor. I just don't think I'm gonna get anything but what I'm getting out of this thing. I think the 3 horsepower. Oh, wait a minute. I do have a 3-blade propeller coming on the 8th. The 8th. That might make a difference. Maybe. Who knows? Anyway, we're still running. This motor runs really good. It is what it is. 3 horses, man. It's 3 horses and I'm 200 pounds in this boat. I don't know how heavy it all is, but it is what it is. We're gonna get about 10 miles an hour out of this thing. But you know what? Instead of bitching, this is really cool, man. Anyway, I'm hands-free. I got my trusty rod and reel back out on the boat because I'm hands-free. Yes, that is a completely submergible reel. Ha! That was a Christmas present. I would have never bought it for myself. But I have the best woman in the whole world. Anyway, me and my son worked hard on this thing over the weekend. Cup holder we installed, new rod holder for that nice rod and reel. Like I said, y'all are mounted hands-free now. Change the spark plugs, and we added a handle. It's a much better fishing now. Much better. Like I'm sitting back chilling. I don't know. Yeah, just sitting back chilling now, driving, not behind myself, and yeah, I love it. So anyway, we're gonna get it back off the water. My son's here. We're just spending some time with him. Oh yeah, put my paddle on its own thing out of the way. I got all the foot room now. There's nothing in my feet, nothing in the way. Like I said, we're still doing 10 miles an hour. Anyway, if ain't nobody told you they love you today, I do. Catch you later.